of the great things about being self-sufficient is you have your own food supply, and this is proof. We left Phoenix for nearly 4 months, so the garden had to fend for itself. And look at what we came back to. It's a huge food forest. The food in the bed had the help from sprinklers, but check this out. This is what is so cool. Most of the food in the yard, I'm going to try to get through it. Going through, this is the real forest on the ground. So it didn't have the sprinklers. It was only rainwater that it had to depend on. And in Phoenix, we don't get but 9 inches every year. So this really is Mother Nature at her best. And even better, I didn't plan any of this. These are all volunteers. There is so much food. Check this out. We've got cilantro. There's lots of arugula. Look, the whole bed and on the ground. And then back here, we've got carrots. They're still babies.
If the chickens were here, none of this would have survived. They're like lawnmowers. So we let the girls loose, and at first they went straight for the lettuce and other greens. Then I think either they just got full, preferred the bugs under the tree, or simply decided it was time for a vacation, because after a few days, they retired from the arugula. But it looks like the girls are happy, so as long as they're happy, we're happy. We're gonna let them stay on vacation. We just have to figure out what we're gonna do with this food forest. Fast forward another 2 months of working on the container homes, and now it feels more like a jungle back here. This is definitely too big of a job for the chickens, so let the cleanup begin. Got a little dirty, but we got it done. I can see my garden again. So now we're ready to plant so the garden can get back to her norm.
Now back to this backyard grocery store. Think about if you had to buy it, how much it would actually cost you, especially if it were organic. Guys, this is the good stuff that keeps us healthy, and it's proof there are no excuses. So if you can have this much independent green in the desert, you can have it almost anywhere. So start with a pot, a bed, or just a small area and start growing your own food. We have a planning calendar on our website if you need it. It's greendesert.org. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell.